And the reality is this: since COVID and the disaster that the medical establishment inflicted on people and the lies that were told, people have lost confidence in the medical establishment. You have seen an increase in parents who are opting for those exemptions. The Surgeon General believes, and I believe, that if you actually didn't say you've got to take this, otherwise you're going to be punished, I think you'd actually have more uptake on some of those. I think there's some people, they're being told they have to do it, so they're opting for the exemption. But one of the things that I think is really, really frustrating to see how this gets weaponized. First, we saw it during COVID. They wanted to say that if you didn't get a COVID mRNA shot and show proof of that you shouldn't be able to go to restaurants, you shouldn't be able to go to sporting events, you shouldn't be able to attend college, you shouldn't be able to go K through 12 school without having any data to back that up. And they were even trying to impose mandates on people who had recovered from COVID and had natural immunity. So it was unscientific. It was basically them trying to control. In March of 2020, Joe Ladapo said we shouldn't do lockdowns. He was pilloried for saying that. Very few people were willing to say that. He said you shouldn't be forcing young school children to wear masks. Shortly thereafter that, he was pilloried for saying that. He said that schools needed to be open for in-person instruction when Florida did it. He was supportive of that. He was pilloried for that. He said you should not mandate mRNA vaxes on people and let it be their choice. He was pilloried for that. So on all these different things, he was doing what he thought was correct policy and what was in the interest of people, including their individual freedom. And he was pilloried, but yet he was right. He was right on all those. All those things. The lockdowns were harmful. The mask mandates on kids. Now, I overruled those in Florida, but there were school districts that wanted to do it. The forcible mRNA shots, that was wrong.